Hey, meet me here Saturday, June 10th, 3 to 8 p.m. You can come and chat. And I'm going to tell you a little bit why I'm there, but this is a location. And you can see more detail in the upper top one, but in the bottom, it's kind of in the middle of Macau. And there's also an address in Portuguese and Chinese, so you can take a look at either one of those. Okay, come and see me. That'd be great. I'd like to see some of my viewers.
Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
One more thing, you might want to know where it is, right? I'm sure you do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little a video that I filmed on my YouTube channel, and I'm just going to narrate over it and kind of tell you a little bit of where it is and how to get there. Hope to see you tomorrow. Okay, so that's the address in Portuguese and in Chinese. That's the general location in Macau. And this is kind of a more microscopic view so you can see it. And I'll even go a little bit more microscopic so you can see some of the street names. All right, so I hope to see you there. Hey, viewers of the channel, you maybe know my face, but I also have a book here, Moon Over Macau, and I'm going to be in Macau so you can actually see me. If you want to see me, you can actually get a book if you want, or you can just come by and chat. And I'm going to be with another author, two other authors, Christopher and Maggie Chu. They actually wrote this book, so the both of us are going to be sitting out with their books, and we're going to be in Macau Saturday, June 9, 10? Whatever the Saturday is, probably 3 p.m. to about 10 p.m. 2023 in case this is later. So basically right now at the time of this going up, it'll be tomorrow. So if you want to come and see me, come and say hello. And I can also sign a book. I'll probably sell it about 100 map. And I think their book, I'm not sure, looks like it's 188. You'll see tomorrow. You can come and meet both of us. So yeah, this one's just published and you'll meet them as well. Anyway, so that one's mine.
Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.